Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. So friends, there is a great news here. So Planet Spark, Hexaware and Class Plus is hiring, and they are hiring for the batch of 19, 20, 21 and 2022, and you will be getting a maximum package of 20 LPA. And for Planet Spark, the percentage criteria is only 50%. So I will take you through all the hirings. Okay, so you do not have to worry at all. So each and every hiring, I will tell you all the details. So let us go through the Planet Spark hiring first. So friends, application deadline is Tuesday 3rd of May 2022. So you have the sufficient time, and link to apply for all the jobs. So you can see class plus data engineer, so 12 to 20 LPA, and here Hexaware training, so we have 3 LPA. Okay, and in Planet Spark the total number of hiring is 300 plus. Okay, so it's really a very good number. So the first hiring comes from Planet Spark, and you will be able to apply till 3rd of May. So number of hirings you got, and then what are the skill set required. So if you have a very good communication skill, okay, and selling skills, then that's all. You do not have to have anything else. Okay, roles and responsibility. So call assigned, video counseling, generate revenue, and Planet Spark live online classes. Okay, so who all can apply for this? So 19, 20, 21 and 22 graduates can apply for this. Qualification is BE, BTech, MBA, or any graduate or any postgraduate. Percentage criteria, so here it is only 50%, not more than that. If we'll talk about internship or full time, so it is a full time hiring, and you will be getting a stipend of 10,000 inner for 14 days training. Only for 14 days you will be getting 10,000 inner, and then post training your package will be 6.5 LPA. Okay, selection process GD, role play and final round. And joining location, work from home for now. After that your work location will be Gurugram, and tentative joining date, so it will be immediate. So friends, here with all the jobs on Great Learning Platform, the job openings, you have to apply, and you will be getting job as soon as possible. I have seen many of the students, they have got job through the Great Learning, and that too on the immediate basis. Okay, so let us see the next hiring is data engineer, and annual salary you must have seen 12 to 20 LPA. Okay, and fine. So the application deadline is 5th of May 2022, and the location will be Gurugram, Bangalore, okay, and Gurgaon, Noida. If you will come down here, so you will be able to see all these details. Okay, so you can apply for this particular job here, friends. So this is published just 5 hours ago. So all the jobs are, yeah, quite recent, and the new job updates which I'm giving it to you. So here the published is 7 days ago. So you can apply for this job. So this is a kind of a technical job, I mean data related job. Okay, data engineer, and they have given all the informations here, so you can just go through that. So you should apply if you, so if you have experience in working in the area of cloud security and application security. See, they have just given it out, experience in software development. So see, it's experience means it doesn't mean you should have worked somewhere, right? Because they have clearly told here work experience not required. Okay, and any batch students will be able to apply for this particular job. And then we have Hexaware training. So Chennai, Mumbai, Noida, Pune, and application deadline is today itself. So as soon as you see the video, you should be applying basically. Maximum salary 3 LPA, and the open positions will be 50. And this is a technical job. Okay, so we have a business job, we have a data job, and we have a here technical job. Okay, so you can just go through that. So batch graduation is 2021, BE BTech, CSIT Electronics, Electrical Instrumentation, BSc, CSIT Electronics and BCA. Number of position is 50. 3 months with a stipend of 15K, and then you will be getting the salary. Okay, and here online test will be there, aptitude plus domain, communication assessment, technical interview, HR interview. Okay, and academic criteria we have 60%. Okay, now, so these are the job availables on this platform. The next question is how to apply. So as I said, friends, so the link will be given in description. Okay, now here you can see apply for this job, but to apply for this job you need to do the registration. And why this registration is required? Because see, this time I am telling you that these are the job available, right? But once you register, then you will be able to know, right? So what are the jobs available on their platform? Okay, so I'll just take you through. See, once you register, then you can only see that these are the jobs available, like voice associates, inbound growth specialist. So these are the list of jobs which is available here. Okay. See, right now I'm telling about the job which I feel that it will be suitable for you, but you might also like other jobs. So that is the reason registration is required, and then we will be able to apply for the job. Registration process is very, very simple. I will take you through the simple registration process. Now, friends, so this is the official link of Career Boost, and this link will be also given in the description. Once you open this page, you can also see. So there are 30,000 plus job posted. So you can think how many jobs are getting posted daily. 36 LPA maximum salary. So the student has got a package of 36 LPA. Okay, and then 1200 plus great learning hiring partners, and up to 7.5 LPA internship and PPO offers. Friends, many of our students has also got the job through great learning. Okay, now without paying a single amount, you need to click on join for free. After that, you can see sign up with the email address. Okay, so you can put your email address here, and definitely after that you will be getting a OTP. So continue, and then you can see you will be able to get a OTP. Okay, so once you'll enter the OTP, then you will be redirected to this particular page, set up your account. Okay, so here I have given my email ID, and then my name is Pratik Kumar. Okay, work experience in year. So if you are a fresher, then you can mention I am a graduate with no work experience, and then you have to put your mobile number here. So I will put my official mobile number 8088452760 and click on verify. After that, again you will be getting a OTP. So I'm entering the OTP here. Okay, and obviously it is verified, and then I need to create a password. So let me create a password here, and latest area of study. So you can put engineering if you're doing engineering, or BCom BBA. Okay, or engineering in CS IT electronics. So all these options are available, and then you can click on. So friends, once you sign up, your registration process is completed, which was a very simple process you might have seen. So it's a very simple process where you have to give your just the details of which year graduate, so that the job will be listed based on that. And now what you have to do is, so you can see in all the jobs you will be able to see apply for this job option. So you just need to click over here, and then to be able to apply for this job, you first need to clear the test for business jobs. Clearing this test once will make you eligible to apply for all business jobs. In case you do not clear the test, you can retake it after 3 days. I will tell you the meaning. So friends, basically, if you, there are three kinds of jobs are there, or multiple kinds of jobs are there. Technical business jobs are there. So you have to give, okay, the test. So once you give the test, so only one time you have to give the test, and then you will be able to apply for all business related job. Once you give the technical test, you will be able to apply for all the technical jobs. So you do not have to go to the test after that. And the questions will be very, very simple. In case if you do not clear the test, okay, so 30 minutes MCQ you can see here, and the skill assessed will be general aptitude. So in case if you do not clear the test, then again after 3 days you will be able to give the test, and then you will be able to apply for this test, right? So you can see test for technical jobs. So if you want to get into the technical jobs, then 45 minutes MCQs will be the general aptitude and programming aptitude. This will be very, very simple. Okay, and for business jobs, so we will be having only general aptitude, and like this you will be able to apply, you will be able to apply for all the jobs. Okay, friends, see, great learning platform, definitely the Virat Kohli is only telling that, okay, it is India's most trusted education platform, and he's with great learning, then you do not have to think anything. Okay, so you can blindly go through the job opportunities by great learning. And I will tell you one more thing, friends. Many of you were asking, sir, my resumes are not getting selected. Okay, or whenever I'm applying, my applications are getting rejected. Okay, or in interview also you are getting rejected. Okay, even though your interview is good. So friends, what basically happens is we do not have something great in our resume. So great learning is the only platform who is giving us a lot of courses. Okay, so you can see Python for machine learning, and how much you have to pay? 0 rupees. Okay, so it is completely free, and this is a certified courses. Certified courses means you will be also getting the certificate, right? And see, certificate is secondary, you will be getting the knowledge. So Python for machine learning, right? So machine learning is that one of the trending technology, and Python is required everywhere. Okay, so Python for machine learning, So take up free Python for machine learning course and excel your career in data science. And you can also see the rating is very good, 4.5 rating, and this is free. And you can enroll now itself. So there are a lot of courses are there. Okay. And so once you complete the course, you will be getting a certificate like this, certificate of completion presented to Pratik Kumar for successfully completing a free online course provided by Great Learning. Okay. So friends, now if you put that in your resume, who will reject your resume? No one. Okay. So these are the advantage, of Great Learning. And see, nowadays, actually in 2022, if you are getting something for free, you should respect that. Okay. And not only one course. So we have data visualization using Tableau, Cloud Foundation, Introduction to Digital Marketing. Lot of courses are there. I mean, so a lot of free courses according to your interest. You can just do the courses. Okay. And that you can put in your resume, and you are going to get lot of things. Okay. So just apply for these jobs. Okay. And from here, you are definitely going to get a job. And I wanted to hear back from you that, sir, because of all these videos, we have got job in this particular companies, right? So you can see Great Learning academic courses. So we have a lot of free courses are there, right? So if you come down here, okay, so free courses, free courses, free courses, free courses. So that's all I wanted to say to you is, so apply for this job, and all the very best